Kovar can paint. You know it's true. Kovar can paint, and so can you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kovar Can Paint. I am Kovar, and I still can't paint. Not really, but I'm trying. Every week I come here to the U and the tube, and I try to do a painting for you guys. I'm just a beginner. I'm just starting out, and I'm using YouTube to learn. I'm looking at tutorials online and just finding my way through this and sharing it with you guys every week. So this week I had a little bit of trouble trying to figure out what I wanted to do. Nothing was hitting me. I was looking at a lot of pictures online and a lot of stuff that I'd saved in my scrapbook or in my photos file, and there was a lot of stuff that I liked, but it just seemed so hard, and then some stuff that I just didn't feel like doing. What I came to is I wanted to do more ink and wash, and I just wasn't finding the exact picture that I wanted to work on. And then I thought, you know what, maybe I can find it myself with something around the house. So I took a picture of this corner of my house with this jacket and scarf hanging there, and I thought, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this. This is definitely a challenge for me, because I don't really have any skills. So, but I'm trying to take everything that I learned from each painting and putting it into the next one. I really do want to get better at this style, this ink and wash style, and I've said this before in other videos. I really like the kind of cartoonishy form of it. It's very expressive. It seems to really, lean its way towards watercolor over, other paints and just the washes, and, maybe sometimes not painting a detail or just letting the watercolor kind of flow and do its thing. So, yeah, it's just something I want to get better at it. So I'm definitely going to be approaching my paintings now with this style for a while, until I get bored of that. As far as proportions go on this one, I'm pretty happy. I mean, I feel like my eye is getting a little bit better at seeing the proportions on space and compared to the original photo. So yeah, I guess practice does help, and in this instance, I'm getting just a little bit more confidence. I feel like I can go ahead and attack things with a little bit more confidence behind it. If you don't know and you haven't been watching these videos, up there in the left-hand corner is my faithful canine Oreo, who is, he's having a good long nap today, which I'm pretty happy with. As he is too, I'm sure. I really had no game plan on painting these colors on this jacket and scarf. But as I went along, I just decided that layers is going to be my friend. So I started blocking in some color, and then doing washes over the blocks of color I did. And then later on, I decided to go ahead and add shadow because I felt that they were definitely pretty flat. So I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. How I did on these colors of these scarves and jacket, and also how, if you think that the shading with the shadows at the very end makes a difference. As always, I love you guys' comments, so please feel free to comment. Let me know your thoughts. Lots of times you guys give me really great advice on things I can do to make my paintings better, or ways I can learn faster, or just techniques that you know about. So please drop them in the comments below. I always read them, I always respond, and I'm always glad to hear from you guys. Well, I think that's it, guys. Don't forget to sign your paintings. Let me know how you think I did. This is kind of my first still life, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
You know it's true. Kovar can paint, and so can you.
It's pretty cool. I love it.